It works for me. No, we're gonna scan really quick. I need to build the watch list, but this was on Friday's watch list. This no setup. Change this. This AAOI is setting up. We can see resistance here. I want a flag. I know it gave a flag on this day, but it was kind of short. I want something longer. Hopefully it sets up again for me to take it. EHR, it's breaking out, but very choppy. Or not choppy, but it just gaps up. Doesn't give any good entries. Can you guys hear me or no? No, I don't put moving averages on the weekly. I mean, I do have it, but I just think it looks cleaner without it. And I know this is like near the 10. But this METC setting up, I'll put that on top watch. VSAT is also setting up. Actually, this should have been an entry today. This was on my watch list on Friday. This SMR setting up, but it's under the 50 SMA, so I'll skip on it. And there's better names like LEU, which ran today, and I'm pretty sure UUU is also a uranium name. Higher lows, and then surfing the 10. TRML. I think this is the same theme as same sector as what was the one we just looked at? METC. So METC is cooking coal actually, and CRML is other metals and mining, like lithium, I believe. CoreWeave looks good. I just think it needs to go up and then go sideways. SMR. Already went over that. Went over this one. This one's setting up nicely. This one's going on top watch. It's giving like this cup and handle look. Okay, so T is Tesla. This one's also Tesla. This one, hopefully it pulls back and gives it a nice little flag. I think this is INTC. This one's setting up nice. Move up, pull back. And then there's like this range right here that I fell back into. LDI, no setup. Biotech. This PGY broke out today, yesterday. I mean Friday. So that's a good one. ASPI. Don't like the way the moving averages are sloping down. It's a nice one. No setup. Tilray. Tilray is low-key setting up. The moving averages aren't aligned, but the 20 is sloping up. And it looks like it wants to break out of this weekly resistance here. How's MSOS looking? MSOS doesn't look good. SMVL. Some deal looks good. MSOS. I think MSOS could UNR right here. So I'll put a alert of this one's breaking out of a nice base. We can see on the weekly. It broke out of here. And then looks like it's retesting. Torre is up. Why did it have news or something? Why is it up on this day? 8/11. Trump. I kind of like this one. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. Why? Let's see how that looks. Mini PLD. I think I'm gonna wait for Torre to get over the 20. Once it gets over the 20, that's when I'll take it. And if it puts in a few tight candles, right? It broke out this huge range. INOD. INOD broke out a huge range. Hopefully it pulls back, gives a setup. ASS. Pulls node. MPX is same sector. Both batteries for cars. One says auto parts, the other one, I don't know. I guess. Because this SLDP looks decent. Looks like it needs more time though. For it to go up, then go sideways. And for these to be under the price action right now, it's over. This, no setup. This UMAC looks nice. And it's a previous runner. Honestly, I think I'm gonna put this on top watch. Because we also have ONDS making crazy moves. UMAC, let's see if it had news on 6-2. So they're expanding. Is that what it says? I like this one. Broke out of a base here, making higher lows. And it's a previous runner. Small float. Small market cap. So I think this one has potential to run. This one's going on top watch. US. QS above the 50, and then the 1020 are aligned. This is a quantum name, which is not bad. QS is quantum, right? QS. Yeah, it is. But I'd rather get in something like IONQ. or GTI. Yep. Galaxy. I hope Galaxy holds here and then goes sideways. So it gives a nice setup. I see a lot of names setting up like this, where they go up, go down, and then there's like some resistance, and I hope they go sideways. See this AMPX? We have the 10, 20, 50 aligned. It broke out this trend line, and it's just consolidating. This one's going on top watch. And also due to the fact that it's at 52-week highs, possibly all-time. No, not all-time highs. That's 52-week highs. UAME, so looks clean. QS is lithium batteries? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so we have QS that's coming up. We have AMPX. And what was the other one? SLDP. This one I would want for it to go up over the 10 and the 20. So why is UAME up? Let's look for news. So UAME on 410. See news on 411. And then on 710. I see no news until 714. And they had triple digit sells. I'm gonna put this on top watch. This is a nice daily flag. This is our KOB run. I really like this run. On this day, it was earnings. On this day, it gapped up on earnings, but then it ran with huge volume on 815. Why? I think that one's a. What is BKSY? Is this an AI name? Space-based intelligence company. No, but it's coming back up. And it looks nice. But I think it needs more time. DK. This DK looks clean. Broke out, pulled back. Broke out again. It's pulling back. Oil and gas name. Airy. This is solar. Solar's breaking out of a big base. Pulling back. Yeah, 20 sloping up. Riding the 50. And run. Setting up nicely. So this one's gonna go on top watch. I really like solar. Breaking out this base. I don't know. And a lot of volume. Don't know like how high it could go. I mean, I never know how high something can go, but this one looks like a decent setup. RKOB. That one broke out yesterday. I mean Monday. I mean Friday. This one's going on top watch. SIX. I think this one's also battery. SIX. Electrical power generation equipment. I don't know what PSIX does, but I like it. That looks like all-time highs. And it's riding the 1020. That one's going on top watch. EOSC is also a battery name. I think so many battery names or energy names. Electrical equipment and parts. I don't know, but it broke out on Friday. So that one was good. PL. PL ideally it pulls back more and then goes sideways. Connector, no, serve. I wouldn't get in. I mean, I would trade serve if you missed RR, because this was the one today, either today or on Thursday. That was good, and we have serve, but we've seen that doesn't trade that good. RGTI, Good Friday, no setup. The sound, the 20 sloping down, want it to slope up. No setup. Under the 50. VNet. Is China name? That's just so choppy. But it's a previous nice runner. This is what I like. We have resistance, and then we gap up on news or earnings. We pull back to the 1020, put in some tight days, and then you get a nice entry. But I don't see too many setups like that. And I'll go over my biggest winners just for like a quick minute. SPE has been nice. Tiger, choppy, BT, no, no. Oh, QBT is a quantum one. So it's building a small range here. I want to see if it could build some sort of flag. But I'd rather get in ION to IONX. Like this BTTR, got out this range. Hopefully it pulls back and then breaks out. TEM. Pull back, retesting this previous resistance. OPAD. Capped up on news. You know what the news was? 825. Is it like an open? Oh yeah, it is. So like a sympathy, I guess. MSOS. It looks like an undercut and rally. I have an alert set for when it goes back over this. And then Torre would be a nice one. Torre or MSOS? Which one has higher ADR? Oh, they have like the same amount of ADR. I think this one just needs more sideways. It's falling back into its range. ONTS. No setup. No. This one looks good. Breaking out this range. It broke out. Pulling back. QMMM. No, nothing. MNR. MNR looks good. I think this is a Ethereum or Solana. Treasury something. Yeah, Ethereum. But I bet you this is setting up a nice hourly. It doesn't look that good. SATS, no setup, nail. Don't like it. Don't like that. Dave could low key set up soon. Nothing, nothing, nothing. ETF. Ethereum looks really nice. Over the top watch. Top watch, we have METC. It's made this large move. And it's been going sideways since. Volume's kind of dying, which is good. We want a big burst of volume when this breaks out. A VSAT kind of had a breakout day today, but it's still inside the range. UMAC. This looks good. AMPX. I wait for a previous day. Amy also looks good. Run. PSIX. How do you guys determine when a good theme is setting up? Ted, you want to hop on? Because right now, my scanner's telling me that for the 1 month, we have UUU as like the main runner. And now if we check other stocks in that sector, we have UROI, which broke out today. We have LEU, which also broke out today. I mean, it's still inside this range, but it had a pretty nice handle on large volume. We have URG. We have DNN. We have NXE. We have UEC. UEC's been nice since it broke out this range here. And then Flag broke out again. Next sector for theme is automobiles and auto parts. This PSNY is the first one. Okay, that doesn't look good. SSM. No. Mm. Neo's doing decent. Let's go back to 1020. I set up the blue candle for representing high volume. I go here. I'll share it right now with you guys. But you create something, and type whatever you want. You use ChatGPT or you ask someone that knows how to code. But I'm gonna send it right here for you guys. Look here, I think I'm gonna put this on top watch as well because we have Ethereum setting up. Oh, this thing's trading a lot of volume and it looks really nice. And also, we have this VCP pattern where it's wide and then it's hopefully gets tighter. And nuclear, quantum, DC, data centers, doing good. My 1020 scanner is super simple. What did I do? And I'll share it with you guys. Guys, but this is it. This is all I have for top watch. What do we say the themes were? It was uranium, or I mean nuclear, quantum, and potentially crypto setting up. Oh yeah, data centers, like iron. What do you mean the pivot line? Like this? Ideally, I prefer to play this, and I did play this. Yeah, robotics is good. RR. Like these small flags pay out way quicker. Flags that pull back like in between the 10 and 20. Give me an example of a small flag and little tight day. I think I know what you're talking about. Let me try to look for one. So like this, RGTI. I think I'm removing this one from my top watch. I don't like the way it trades. Uami. I kind of want to remove this one from top watch as well. I don't like the way it trades. Up, down, down even more, up. Couldn't even go above it, down. So that one's going out of watch list. This one I like just because it has previously made a really large move. METC, decent. PSIX, decent flag at all-time highs. AMPX, looks good. Run, kind of decent. VSAT, this is like EP continuation, which is A plus. And BMNR, Ethereum Treasury, huge move, pulled back, going sideways. Kind of reminds me of SOUN. I think last year, right here. Huge move, pulls back, goes sideways. And then you see how the moving average is aligned with the small flag? That's what I like. This is perfect. And then catch a nice move. Did I answer? No, I didn't take any trades today. I actually exited trades today, so that way I could free up some buying power. Let's see, BMNR. Oh, you're right, it does. I think again, like I said, I think this one probably needs more time. Probably goes right here, and then goes sideways for a pretty long time. No, I got out of Bitcoin and Wolf because Wolf wasn't really doing anything. Came back, and Bitcoin didn't even move at all. And I've been holding it for a while. Solana, I wish I could have sold like Saturday, but obviously, it's not open. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go eat. I do chill, but I was in shitty names before the market started running. I was buying dips on crypto. All right, guys, peace.